Hello, Sonja. Thanks
Hello.
for being with us and thank you for your talk. So, you work for Viaware, a company based in the Netherlands. Can you briefly tell us what's the work that
That's really,
Viaware is doing?
yeah. We are selling software for companies in the food contact material supply chain that can help them with their risk assessment in a systematic approach. So for the whole supply chain of food contact materials.
And could you tell us what was the main message or the main messages that you had in your talk?
Yeah. We want to make a shift for instead of more document transfer in the supply chain where you can make errors for by interpretation, go more to direct exchange of data. And yeah, that's what our goal is. And besides that, we in the future we are looking for the possibilities for blockchain. So communication in an open, transparent way, and also to be more sufficient and therefore trustworthy for the end user and also at the end for the consumer.
Can you briefly also tell us what are the main challenges that you're currently facing in your work?
The main challenges are open communication. As you see, still at today, there is a lack of good information and communication in the chain. So you talk about substances with restrictions, forbidden substances, etc. And the communication is still not sufficient as it should be. So and that gives later on in the supply chain can give really big problems. And that is the main challenge we are facing. Yeah, what we see, what happens in the supply chain.
All right. Thank you very much, Sonja, and thanks again
Thank
for
you.
your contribution.
Thank you.